C is 2 to 3 feet. Wave detail. Wednesday. If there is a risk of severe weather, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary at any given location. The alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties for stations KHB 29 and WXM 93, Berkeley, Charleston, Clarendon, Dorchester, Georgetown, Orangeburg, and Williamsburg. For station WXJ 23, Allendale, Denver, Beaufort, Colleton, Camden, and Jasper. For station KAC 85 in South Carolina, Beaufort and Jasper. In Georgia, Bryan, Bullock, Chatham, Effingham, Liberty, and Scrubbin. This concludes the Radio Weekly test conducted by the National Weather Service in Charleston, South Carolina.